All right, room 333 at the Mountain Hotel in Canmore. You come inside, big vaulted ceilings, nice open airy room. Let's open this up. We've got a nice closet, ironing board, place to hang things up. Love the backlighting, very up to date, nice modern. Again, just feels huge because of the ceilings. Got a little chair to throw in there, king size bed, nightstands with plugins including USBs on the side, little bench seat, your AC unit, and little desk. Of course, the stunning views that Canmore has to offer. Take a look outside there. A little bit misty day, but still looks amazing. Then we've got this nice feature wall here with the TV, got a coffee station, wine glasses, ice bucket, more USB and plugins. In here, a little mini fridge, drawers to put stuff in, your safe, full-length mirror, remote control for the fan up top, as well as some lighting. And then into the bathroom, nice granite top counters, backlit mirror, wallpaper's all right. And then you do have this nice tiled-in shower. So really nice spot. Again, just love the vaulted ceilings in here. It makes it feel huge. All right, everyone. Thanks for checking that out.